Blizzard. Now on the box it has Stealth Armor Iron Man. This is Series 2 of the figure line. As you can see on the back, it has a diagram of what to do. Ice Fist, Ice Javelin, which are this piece and this piece. Also comes with his own tag, and there's the figure. Boxes are boring. Here we go. Nice. Okay. Blizzard has nice colouring, I like it. I'm not sure what this is. Maybe that's something to do with the comic book version, but this is the cartoon version, so no thank you. See, he has nice little darkened eyes there. And a nice white colour which is painted on. Right from the shoulder bit here we have like a line of non-paint. It looks a bit odd, but it doesn't matter. Okay, so his leg, as every other Iron Man figure, up that high, bends at the knee, comes back. Same with the arm. This one goes up and bends. Can do all the way 360. This is a figure with waist articulation. That is because of the gimmick. As you can see when I do it, the arm moves outwards to accommodate his ice punch. Head does a 360 all the way around. Really like the fact they actually put the band in around the back. This is a good figure. Don't know where I can put that. Okay, there you go. Okay, so the ice javelin goes in that hand there. The fist can break into two pieces. And that is for a very special reason. So that we can pin it around his hand. If I can do this correctly. First time. Okay. There he is with his fist punch. When you turn his waist, he punches you with his very loose fitting ice punch there. Luckily though, unlike Gargoyle, this figure does have articulation in the elbow, which is always handy. Position his fist for a face punch, and you can crack it back to where you want him to hit. That one's like sort of, I don't know, comes off really easily. Comes off too easily. Okay, put that back. Comes with his employee tag, little ID badge. Blizzard, real name, Grigor Shapanka. Blizzard can emit numbing blasts of freezing cold through the use of his suit, as well as create daggers of ice and a variety of other icy effects. Blizzard cares for no one but himself, making him not only a cold-hearted villain, but an unreliable ally in battle. Profile. Previously employed by Stark, Shapanka acquired most of his technological and scientific knowledge from working at Stark Industries, until he was promptly ejected for stealing and selling company technology. Now as Blizzard, Shapanka is one of Iron Man's greatest enemies. Just like MODOK, it's yellow here and metallic blue at the top. This is employee tag. I love Blizzard, always have loved the character. He's funny, he has a really cool voice. Love the way he like sort of breathes an icy breath before he speaks. This gimmick doesn't kill the figure too much, in fact it gives it a better element of waist articulation, so I'm going to give this figure I'm going to say an 8. I really do like this. It's not too bad. It doesn't have any attachable armour, so there's nothing more to this figure. There's some nice little details. Yeah. 8 out of 10.